Buffer versus Letter versus Hootsuite versus SocialOmph versus SproutSocial. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to compare some social media management platforms for you guys, and I have got 5 platforms that I'm going to compare that I'm going to show you around. So let's get into it. The first platform that I have with me is buffer.com, and as you can see, this is their main page. Logging in or getting started is very easy. What you're going to do is you have to basically sign in. You have to provide your email, you have to provide your password, and then you are good to go. You can simply log in. So here you can see this is their main site. Buffer helps you build an audience organically. We are a values driven company that provides affordable, intuitive marketing tools for ambitious people and teams. So you can see that they are very good, like grow your following without draining your time. You can share click worthy content. You can get the clicks you deserve. You can grow your following. You can have basically distribute your workload. You can have a collaboration has never been easier. You can collaborate with others. And here are some people who have given their testimonials that this is a good platform that you can use. It has been in business for 10 years. It has 140,000 users and 100k plus monthly blogs readers. And here how they can help you. So what you can do is basically go on and check their get started with them. It's a very easy procedure. So let me show you the tools of Buffer. It has publishing, plan, collaborate, and publish thumb stopping content. It has analytics. You can analyze your social media performance. You can create reports, how many people are seeing it, how much revenue will it make, and is it in liking or not, or what is happening out on your social media platforms. You can see the analytics. You can see the engagement of people. Are the people engaged in your content and navigate through your comments? Are people liking your content, or are you having more bad comments or something like that? Then you can start your page. You can build a customized landing page in minutes by this. Then you have different channels. You have Facebook, Google business profile, you have Instagram, LinkedIn, Mastodon, Pinterest, Shopify, TikTok, and there are a couple of more for sure. And then you can see the pricing. Let me show you the pricing of Buffer. Okay, so the pricing is publish flawlessly, analyze effortlessly. So the first plan that they have is basically free, and it is for individuals and businesses getting started with social media. So if you are getting started, then this is a good plan for you. You can see that it has basically basic publishing tools are available, and landing page builder is also available on this plan. Then you have an essentials plan. It is for $5 per month per channel. If you have more than one channel, then it is going to cost you another $5. And then you have a planning and publishing tools. You have analytics tool. You have engagement tools, landing page builder, easy, clear, exportable reports. And then there is a team a plan, which is basically for teams who want unlimited user seating, collaboration, and reporting. Here is it is basically for $10 per month per channel, and it has essential features plus unlimited team members and clients, draft collaboration tools, custom access and permissions. So you can see all the features of this by clicking on this option, and you can get a hold of what you want with your profile and what you want to work on, so you can choose the plan effectively. And then there's also agency plan, which is for $100 per month for 10 channels, and it is basically for marketing agencies with 10 or more social channels. You can see team features plus agency friendly pricing. You can go on and see all the features, and they let you have a trial version of 14 days for this plan as well, and the other paid plans as well. So you can see what's happening and how you want to what you want to work on, or if it works good for you, then you can buy that, or otherwise you can just let it go. And you can see the detail of all the features right here. So let's move on to other platform that we have. It is Letter. So this platform, this is later.com, and it is social media management made easy. Letter is a social media management platform and link in bio tool for every social network. Plan, analyze, and publish content in advance. So you can get a free account on Letter by just clicking on this option. You're just going to give them your email, generate a password, and you're good to go. So visual first, create and preview your content, schedule ahead, save time with automatic publishing, boost your LinkedIn plus .bio, send followers to your website, shop and more, and analyze and optimize. So these are all the basic things that it can do, and it is a very interactive link page for this platform. So here you can see, are you ready to change your life? You can use this coupon right now at the making of this video that they're giving some kind of discounts. I'm just going to let it go right now. So let's see the products. You have different solutions. You have publish and schedule solution. You have LinkedIn.bio. You have Letter for creators. You have content creation and what we do. Then you have different platforms. For the platforms, you have an Instagram, you have Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter platforms overview. So you can see for social media, like for Instagram, you have a visual planner, you get story scheduling, you get the best time to post, you get analytics, you get auto publish, hashtag suggestions, and reels. So this is how you can manage your Instagram on Letter. So let me show you the pricing of Letter. Okay, so here you can see their first plan is the starter plan, and it is for $18 per month, and it is built monthly, and you can see 30 posts per social profile, limited analytics, customizable link in bio page, collab tools for creators. Then the other is for $40 per month, and it has 150 posts per social profile and a little bit more features than the previous one has. And the advanced one is for $80 per month, and it allows you to post unlimited, full analytics, customizable link in bio page, collab tools, live chat support, etc. So these are all of their 3 pricing plans. You can choose the one that you want, and you can basically go on and get started with Letter. So the next platform that I'm going to show is Hootsuit. This is Hootsuit, and it is basically also a platform which allows you to manage your social media and also to grow your social media in a very effective way, grow your reach and get more business with social media. So let's do this. As you can see, their profile, it is also very good. It is also very friendly, and you can basically go on and check it out, and it looks very professional. You can light up your profiles, plan your content with ease, stay on top of trends, and post on time every time. So for businesses, for personal, for people, for influencers, etc., social media is very important. It is becoming the source of marketing your product in whatever your product is in a very effective way. So that's why it is important for you to go on and check the things that can basically level up the game of your social media. So here is what we do. Basically, they publish and schedule, they engage customers, they monitor the activity, advertise the content, and analyze the results. How social media makeover helped the small business driver 108% increase in sales. You can read the case study of what happens with Hootsuite, and you can see it in action with a free 30-day trial. So you can go on and get up your free trial for 30 days, and you can see for if it is effective for you and if you want to use it later on. So all of their pricing plans are basically very pricey, and the minimal priced one is $99 per month, and you can get the free 30-day trial. The team one is for $249 per month, and business one is $739 per month. The first one basically allows one user, 10 social accounts, unlimited post scheduling, access to messages in one inbox. The team one allows 3 users, 20 social accounts, and etc. And the business one allows 5 users and 35 social accounts. So if you are a big enterprise and you want something even more than that, so you can get a custom plan for yourself which starts at 5 users and starts at 50 social accounts, and you can have your unlimited posts, etc. So you can basically go on and check this out if you want a lot more than just engagement, and if you have a huge business. But even for a person who is just getting into it, if you're just a beginner, this is too much. So there is no free plan available, and the priced ones are also very pricey. So you can check the one out that you want, and if it is effective for you, or this platform is effective for you. So you can just go on and you can check the detailed features below, and you can go on and check all of these features out, and you can then make an informed decision of what you want to choose. The next platform is SproutSocial. Okay, SproutSocial is also a very good platform, and you can start your free trial by this. You can basically sign up, log in, and you are good to go. You don't have to basically add any credit card details into your free version. So the leading platform to extract real business, etc. Their page is very good. It looks very professional, and you can basically get on and get started with it in a really easy way. So social media managers and marketers use it. Social customer care agents use it, and social analysts and strategists use this platform. So what are their products? Let me show you. So their products is basically they give you engagement, they publish and scheduling, analytics, listening, employee advocacy. These are all the things that they provide, and they also provide solutions by use case, by business type, by industry, and by social network. Let me show you their pricing. Okay, the standard plan is basically $249 per month, and you don't have to require any credit card for the free trial. The professional one also is for $399 per month. The advanced is for $499 per month, and for the enterprise you have to contact us for pricing. You get 5 social profiles all in one social box, publish schedules, social content calendar, review management profiles, keywords, locations, etc., and a lot of other things in the standard one. And in the professional one you get unlimited social profiles, competitive reports, etc., and you can basically check all the features out. And in the advanced one you get message spike alerts for increased message activity, external approvals, you get chats both with automation tools, you get saved and suggested replies, etc., and you can basically get a tailored implementation and onboarding to get teams up and running quickly in the enterprise version. So the last platform that I have is SocialOmph. As SocialOmph is also a very good platform. It is for individuals, for teams, social posts, blog posts, webhooks, RSS feeds, post queues, and precise scheduling. These are all the benefits that are given. Basically 30-day free trial, post flood control, self-destructing post, bulk uploading, etc. So these are all the solutions that they provide. These are all the things that are provided with this platform. So let me show you their pricing. Okay, so $55 per month is their business suite. Their professional suite is for $25 per month. Their advanced suite is for $15 per month, and personal suite is a free. That means there is a plan that is available for free. In the free one, you get one social profile, you get access to personal area only, access to basic posting features, unlimited scheduled posts, maximum 3 posts per hour, cannot add additional social profiles, and free support. So you can basically go on and get a $15 one, and you are going to get access to personal team areas, one team with self as sole associate, one social profile, one blog. And in the $25 per month, you get 10 social profiles and 5 blogs. In the $55 per month, you get 20 social profiles and 10 blogs, 10 Qs, one webbook, etc. So you can check the features out, and if you think that you're just a beginner and the free one is good for you, then you can get started with the free one. These are all the social media management platforms that are good to use out there, so you can check and use any one of them that you find fit according to your needs. So this was it for today's video. I hope I was helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.